In this video, we will be learning about the tutorial for the song Tum Mile from the movie Criminal. I hope you can learn from this video. Thank you. Note for the song Tum Mile will start from this particular fret in the first string. This is 7th fret. First string 7th fret is B. So it will start from here. So 2 strike in 7th fret of first string, that is B, B, then E. To me. So that is it. B, B, E, then D, E. So within a fraction of seconds we are playing all these notes for Tum Mile. B, B, E, then D, E. Then next part is Dil Khile. So Dil Khile is same note, that is B, B, D. Tum Mile, then B, B, D, then B, D. Fret wise, this is 7, then 10, then 7, 10. और then part is और जीने के लिए, and that note is B, A, और that A is playing in the second string 10th fret. जीने को, and the note for जीने को is G, A and B. जीने को. So G, A, B, A. So fret wise it is 8, 10, 12, then 10. जीने को क्या चाहिए, जीने को क्या चाहिए जी, क्या चाहिए is, and this note is G, then F sharp, then D, E and G, and we are emphasizing on this E. So if you are playing all together, it will be like. So 2 times we are playing this note or this part. Then जाओ तू तास मेरा पास पास मेरा. So that part. So that is E. You can play here in the second string 5th position, or else you can play in the third string this position, which is 9th position. So E, G. ना हो तू दास मेरा, that is B. So E, G, B, 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 B. ना हो तू दास मेरा पास पास मेरा. So that many times you have to play note B in the second string, that is 12th position in the second string. So that notes are A, B and D. A, B, D, A, B, D. A, B, D, A, B, D, then B, D, G. So fastly you have to play all those notes. Two times you have to play this. Second time, instead of stopping at G, we have to stop at this particular note D in the first ring. So this is the first time. Next time, that is the only difference. Na ho do das mera paas paas mera. This is the first part. Next one is see, I stopped at this particular note in the first string D. Next is sa re san sa re. So that is playing with the note B, D and F sharp. You can play B here. B, D, F sharp, B, D, F sharp, F sharp. Ka pyar, that ka pyar, we are playing E and F sharp. Maine, that is E, G, F sharp, then E, D, B and A. Then again so that's the first part of this particular song. I hope you can learn from this video.